Today we're going to be finishing up the engine with the Flexplate and the torque converter. Hi everyone, and welcome to the channel about kit cars and other car topics. If you like what you see, please subscribe and hit the notification buttons below and share with others on social media. So today I'm going to be working on getting that Flexplate on, getting the torque converter on. I figured out what the issue is with the bolts, so we're going to dig into that and hopefully get that transmission married to the engine and set it aside and wait for that firewall to be finished before we pop it back in. Let's hop to it. Alright, so I'm getting ready to install my converter into my 4L60 transmission. Now you want to make sure that this thing is pushed all the way in. Now you can see there's multiple splines, one here, one there. And then if you look all the way in there, you can see that there's a little, I don't know what you want to call it, piece there. And then on the other side, it's kind of hard to see, there we go. You can see there's another one right on that side, and those line up with these. So you'll get this on, and it might be flush with the transmission, but then you have to get it passed onto those two little things right on this, and then it will sink in about 0.9 of an inch. Once that's in 0.9 of an inch, this is sticking out around 0.9 of an inch, and it should marry up perfectly. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to actually fill this with 1 quart of transmission fluid, and then we're going to get this onto the spline. Then we're going to make sure it's all the way in, and then from there we're going to try to marry it up to the engine. All right, so we're getting ready to do the harmonic balancer bolt. And the one thing you really need is one of these tools. It goes right into the where the starter goes, and it locks into the threads. And that way you don't have to sit there with a screwdriver or anything and either jack your threads there or jack your hand up when you slip off. So I'm going to install this, and then we're going to work on that harmonic balancer bolt. Make it all the way to 240 on this, but we'll see. This is the old bolt. Use the old bolt to go to 240. Now, I'm gonna try to break this. I'm gonna go the other way.
Oh,
You want to come on this side?
you coming off?
Yeah, I'm gonna come off.
Oh, how come?
This is the old bolt. You use the old bolt to go to 240, then you pull it out,
really?
and then you put the new bolt in at 37, and then 140 degrees.
Okay, I see.
So it's good to keep your old bolts.
Yeah, yes.
These are a one-time only use.
Uh-huh. Oh,
So you use the
okay.
old one to get in there, and then
Uh-huh.
let's go. Okay. Man. Okay, so there's 37.
Yep.
Just hold on.
I mean, it's
Just-
a little more straight.
Let's get it on there. Okay. That way.
This side is, the engine needs to actually come up a little. It's got some pressure on it, right here.
Okay. Go ahead and come up. Okay. Perfect.
There it is.
All right. So let's move this one more time.
Okay,
I'll tell you when.
down again.
Yeah, we're right about there.
Okay.
Okay. So, before I do something stupid.
Yeah, you're the most organized guy. I can't believe you can't find something.
Yeah, you know, I'm visual, and you would think that makes me better.
Oh.
But what happens is, like, the reason I couldn't find those bolts is the package was laying this way with
Oh.
the light.
Okay.
Instead, I'm looking for this.
Oh,
And
yeah.
it's that simple for me to, like,
okay.
it's weird.
Uh-huh.
So I bought, Permatex makes something called orange.
Mm-hmm.
Has a strength of red, but you don't need heat to remove it.
Yeah.
So I bought some.
And you're not going to use it on these?
No, I'm gonna just
Uh-huh.
stick to what they say,
Good.
but for other things that I want to
Yeah.
make sure. Let's see. Oh yeah, baby.
We're going to go another third.
Another inch.
Another
I don't know
inch.
if that means anything to you or not, but
Okay.
right there you go. I couldn't get my wrench in before.
Okay.
Okay, so that's hand tight. Hold on, let me get the socket off. Grab another bolt. And now we're gonna have to go, I'm assuming like 33% around.
Mm-hmm.
All right, give it a whirl.
Okay, 30 degrees.
Yeah, I'll let you know.
All right.
Harder to move?
No, not too much.
Okay, yeah, just keep going, I'll tell you when. Keep coming. Keep coming. Another inch or two, that's what it's gonna be long. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, right about, keep going, right about there. Let's try that. Keep opening up. Can you bring it back down? I just pulled it up somehow.
Am I going this direction?
Yeah. Just
More? Or just hold it?
hold it for a second. What? Just broke my torque wrench.
Oh. Sometimes they'll skip.
Well, that's weird. No, that's that way. No, it broke one way.
Okay.
Let me, So everything went as planned, and when you're putting the torque converter on the flex plate and you're kind of marrying the transmission to the engine, you want to make sure that there's no actual resistance or force, like it just comes together naturally, so you don't, cause any issues. And we were able to achieve that and pop this thing on and bolt it up and torque it to spec. I busted my torque wrench in the middle of this process, so I had to get my other one out, but so it looks like I have a new shopping list, get new torque wrenches for the near future, so I will work on that. But in the meantime, everything went well, and